Okay, hello everyone. So today this is just going to be a quick video showcasing a couple different scenarios with the Tomahawk TCS 6.5 concrete finishing sprayer. It has to deal with service. First, we're going to go over how to properly clean out your backpack sprayer at the end of a job, and then the second scenario will be if, let's face it, if that doesn't happen or your crew forgets to clean it out at the end of the day, how to clean it out after it's been sitting for a while. So real quick, this is more of a visual example. Have some dirty water in here with a lot of sediment material to kind of showcase, okay, maybe you finished up your job, you've got some curing compound, sealer left, whatever it might be. So ideally you don't want to let this sit in here for more than a few hours at a time after the job's done. So you're going to want to flush it all out and then clear it out with water. Now luckily with this product, because of the engine, you can generate up to 435 psi of pressure. So what we recommend again is just flush out whatever you have left or dump it back into your bucket using the, so we're on this side, using the drain over here. And then put a few gallons of water in, flush it out, crank up the pressure until you see the water running clear through your hose and your wand. Okay, so I have here in front of me the pump and the engine for a TCS 6.5 concrete finishing sprayer. So this, for purposes of this video, we have a pump out of the assembly right now, but you can do everything we're doing here while it's still intact. You don't have to remove the pump. This is again just for ease of the video here. So this is a situation where you don't want to have to buy a new pump, but your crew or someone, part of your construction team, maybe left the unit with curing compounds sitting in it for a few weeks or a few days, and it's just kind of all gunked up. It's not functioning properly because the pump is basically stuck. So this is these are some steps you can take to flush it out and try and salvage it as opposed to replacing it. So this is where the hose connects to. Here on part of the brass pump, all you're going to really need is a number 6 Allen wrench to loosen these two bolts here. They're already pretty loose here, but you need a number 6 Allen wrench, take them out. Okay, and basically what you want to do is loosen up this piece of the pump here. You can even take it off, all the way off if you want, or just keep it kind of loose right here as well. Basically you want to be able to have water flush through the entire pump system. So what you're going to want to do is loosen this like this, turn the engine on, it gets a little messy, so be careful because it's just, you're going to be flushing out with water and it's going to kind of fly everywhere here. So again, this is just in the case where you want to flush it, you don't want to have to replace the pump. It's up to you. This is how you would do it. You would loosen this, turn the engine on, have clean water in the tank, clean water only, and crank up the pressure. Again, gets up to 435 psi, and that should help clear out any sediment here. And then when you feel like you've done that, I would generally recommend doing maybe 2 or 3 gallons at a high pressure. You're just going to want to replace the bolts here. So make sure everything's nice and tight. Put your hose back on, connect your wand and your trigger press, and put a few more gallons of clean water in there and flush it and make sure everything's running like it should, and hopefully it should be good to go.